Today we are going to make a milk toffee recipe, but this is little bit different than a normal one. If you haven't seen my previous milk toffee recipes, you can watch them by clicking the above links. For this milk toffee recipe, we need only these ingredients. When making this recipe, first we need to pour condensed milk into a pan with a thick bottom. Mix some water with the remaining milk in the tin and pour that too. Then we can add sugar. After that, we need to cook this under medium heat. Make sure to stir continuously until we get it out of the stove. When milk heats well and starts emerging thick bubbles, add butter. After around 2 to 3 minutes, we can add vanilla, chopped cashew, dates and raisins. When mixture becomes thicker, pour it to a prepared greased tray. Now we need to spread this mixture on the tray and cut it into pieces before it gets hardened. If you like my videos, give me a little support on Patreon. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and ring the bell. Let's meet again soon with a delicious cake recipe.